Let me tell you a story about old Salty 65. He's ex-Navy and he's one hell of a guy. You know his stories, they're gonna make you feel alive. So come on and subscribe to Old Salty 65.
Oh, well, yeah, when you think you've got things down pretty much pat, and I'd say we're probably 3/4 of the way of packing up, getting ready to leave, finding another house and getting ready to leave. Then someone throws a spanner in the works, and it wasn't a little spanner, it was a bloody big one. Apparently our landlord has been very ill and has had an operation, and he is no longer going to move here because he doesn't want to, and that's his prerogative. So next week, at the end of next week, we have to go and sign another lease, which I don't know. You can only move inside there for boxes at the moment. We're going to just have to stack them all up and wait to find another place, and we will move. But it's given us 6 months now instead of 3, and possibly another 6 after that. So, we could be here for bloody ever by the sound of things. But we've been here a while. We like the area. Neighbours aren't that close to us. We don't have to worry about them. Sheep are giving me the shit, so I do have to worry about them. And the ants are biting my feet. I hate them. Yeah. Well, I think we just have to fill a spare room up with boxes. See what happens down the track. At the moment, I don't have to worry anymore. We're happier. Okay, guys. I'll catch you later. Bye.